Hi there, happy Wednesday. Welcome to day 15. Today we are focusing on diet and the skin and how what you put into your body affects the way you look and feel. So today, the tip of the day is to treat the skin from the source of the problem, which means treat it through food. So diet is important. I mean, we all know to eat healthy, but there's so many misconceptions about eating healthy. But here's the problem with the skin. Our skin is an organ. It's the largest organ of our body, and it is a detox organ, which means what we put into our body comes out through our skin. It's not the other way around. We don't put stuff on our face and it gets in our pores. It comes out through our pores. So we're eating this stuff that's harming us. We're ingesting it. We're putting it into our bodies, or we're stressing out from poor lifestyles. And that's what's causing the problems in our body. So there's two big triggers that happen with the skin. Number one is acne. Well, there's major things, but there's two main sources of like acne, rosacea, melasma, and skin sensitivity. Number one is gut. How healthy is your gut? What are you putting into your body? Are you eating dairy, sugar, gluten? Are you eating a lot of harmful foods that are causing your gut to feel gassy, bloated? You get headaches, you feel fatigued. Another thing is liver function. I mean, liver is huge. We don't realize that by damaging our bodies and our guts, it's affecting our liver functions as well. You know, alcohol, we all know it affects our liver, but so does medicine. So does a hormonal shift in the body. I mean, I've been suffering from melasma. If you can see, I've got these lovely dark patches here, which I've been trying to fight. And I changed my diet. I've gone keto starting in June, and I feel great. And I've noticed a lightening in my skin, but it's still there. So I'm still trying to work on getting my liver healthy. I know a lot of it's stress. I know a lot of it's, all this crap that's going on in my life, but it's getting better, and it's a slow process, and you just have to stick with it. So you got to think of your skin in terms of your body's health. If your gut, it doesn't feel good, then something's not right, and it's going to show up in your skin. So in order to truly treat your skin, and in order to have skin that you absolutely love, you have to find out what is your trigger and what is causing the problem. So look at the gut, look at the liver, figure out, I can help you with this because our face is a map. It shows up in certain areas where it's going on, where there's an imbalance or there's something going on in the body. So you really need to start thinking of your skin in terms of internal organ health as well. So in order to have great skin, you have got to be healthy on the inside. So, one of my biggest mottos is love the skin you're in, but you also have to feel good, because when you feel good on the inside, you look good on the outside, and then you can change your life. So thank you for tuning in. If you have any more questions about this topic, or if you have any questions about your health, feel free to reach out to me, Samantha@skindeepil.com. Thank you for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your Wednesday. Good luck for those of you whose kiddos are heading back to school, and I will see you tomorrow for another diet skin tip of the day. Thanks for tuning in.